everyone, welcome back with me in the Paper in the Craft. Welcome to Paper in the Craft. Don't forget to subscribe. This video shows how to make a camera origami. I hope you try it too. Let's make it. The first, fold into a triangle. Fold again into a triangle on the other side. Then, fold it into a rectangle. Then you can follow step by step of this video. It's the same as I'm making the most origami in the previous video. Well, the difference here. Flip and fold at the ends back to the center, and do the same at each end. Then, open the two parallel corners as seen in the video. Take the other two sides with your fingers and pull slowly so they don't tear. final step is to just attach the two ends. Camera origami is done. You can play it as seen in the video, and it can be played repeatedly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.